Yes, you can still use the internet while being offline on WhatsApp. I mean, when your phone is connected to the internet, but WhatsApp is offline. Like when someone sends you the message on WhatsApp, it brings one tick, not two ticks, that shows that you're online. Don't make your loved ones feel ignored because you can't use WhatsApp at the time. Just do this instead. Now, as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now I'm going to share with you 2 ways you can do this. The first way, go on your phone. Most of the Android phones come with this app. It's called the Freezer. Make sure that you go on and look for this app on your phone. It's called Freezer. If you don't have it, you can get it from the Play Store. Make sure that you open that app. Go ahead and press on plus right here. And then after pressing on add, make sure that you look for WhatsApp. Make sure that you press on WhatsApp and then press on OK. The moment you press on OK, WhatsApp is going to be freezed. WhatsApp is going to be freezed, as you can see it right there. And the moment someone sends you the message, it is not going to show the 2 ticks that shows that you're online. It's going to bring only one tick. If you want to remove WhatsApp from Freezer and you want to use it, you just press on Freezer again and then long press on that app, and then you can see right here unfreeze app WhatsApp. Make sure that you press on OK, and the moment you press on OK, the app is going to be unfreezed and you're going to be receiving all your messages immediately. Now, this is the second way. Now, in your WhatsApp settings, go to data and storage and then press on proxy. Make sure that you press on proxy and then press on setup proxy. Make sure that you press right there. After pressing there, make sure that you press on proxy address. Make sure that you type in 5.5.5.5 4 times. Make sure that you add dot after every 5 and then press on save. After doing that, you will not be able to be online on WhatsApp even if you're using the internet. It will connect and you will not be able to be visible on WhatsApp. The moment someone sends you the message, it will bring only one tick. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you.